Hello, everyone. In this video, we have to answer some Node.js interview questions. Let us see the list of the questions. Node.js interview questions. First question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? PHP is a general-purpose scripting language for web development, used by many websites and applications. Meanwhile, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side and is great for building fast, scalable, and efficient backend application. Next question is, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? In Node.js, a callback is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and executed once the primary function has completed its task. Callbacks are essential for asynchronous programming, which allows multiple tasks to be executed simultaneously, improving application performance. Next question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? For Node.js projects, the package.json file provides a simplified way to manage a project's metadata and dependencies. The file ensures a project always has current information about the libraries and tools who need to work correctly. Next one is explain the difference between required and import statement in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is a built-in function to improve modules provided by a common JS module system. Import statements are used in ES6 module systems to include modules. Require includes the complete file, whereas by import can be include specific export components only. Next one is what is middleware in the concept of express.js? Can you give an example of how do you would view middleware in your Express applications? Simply, middleware in express.js is a function that is accessible to the request response object and the next middleware function. It can execute any code, terminate the request response cycle, make needed changes in request and response objects, and detect errors in Express. Next one is what is RESTful API and how can you create one using node.js and express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API is a web service that follows the principles of REST architecture. It uses standard HTTP methods get, post, put, delete to perform CURD, create, read, update, delete. Operations on resource and data is typically transformed in JSON or XML format. Next question is what is the purpose of Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it manage dependencies in Node.js project? NPM or Node Package Manager is a command line uh, utility which makes it easier to manage external libraries used for your program. It is primarily used by client-side languages like JavaScript or some other server-side languages like Node.js. Next, last question is why it is important to hash passwords in your web applications. Hashing is one of the way encrypting, meaning you can't get the original text back from the hash. Now, in information security, passwords are recommended to be stored in a hash format. So applications or systems can verify if the correct password is entered without them storing your password. This makes it harder to steal. Okay, thank you.